How many friends online do you have? 150? So the first prize goes to... I just received 50,000 followers on my Instagram account. Ngadak sudah dap 10,000 followers in Instagram account, but ngadon mentahang ni, but kini kena. At the end of the video, we have a few things to give the students here, but there will be and it will be more like a dare. If you dare do it, the giveaway will be for you. Okay? What? Wait. Let's do it all at the same time. Fine? Okay? And there will be not less than 2,000, 5,000 to about 10,000 people watching this video. Okay? Now this, how many of you are here? Maybe somewhere 100. Do you have 100 here? Okay, maybe. But just imagine 1,000 people watching you. And it can go up. It could be 10,000 people watching you. Okay? So please be loud. Okay? Do it well. Fine? Now in 1, 2, 3 you'll say, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. 1, 2 and 3. Good. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, this is a very simple challenge. Okay, a very simple challenge. Do you see what I wear here? No drugs. Okay, these are very exclusive caps. All right, and I don't usually sell these caps. Okay, but I would give it as a giveaway to people. Could be anyone who wants this cap, because it's very exclusive. I don't really sell these caps. Okay, so I've brought a cap for someone who will be able to do this challenge. How many of you are ready for it? You okay? All right. Okay, I have an exact same one just like this. Okay, now there are two things that I want you to choose. Should I ask you, anyone, to come here, show your talent, or I'll call you and then give an extempo speech of just 1 minute? And then again, people... A what? Should be talent or extempo speech? Okay, let's start with a talent, okay? Okay? So anyone who will show their talent in 1 minute and has the bigger clap and the bigger applause from the other students will win. Yes. Okay. All of you three, please. Kini kinai ya kasap kejongki, and let's see the vote. Okay? All right.
Hello everyone, I'm Meghalaya from class 9 and I'll be singing.
Okay, so and your 1 minute starts now.
I saw her in the righteous way, looking like an Hathaway. Softly while she hid her hand and called. My name is Khot and I will be drawing.
Okay, thank you.
My name is and I can solve a Rubik's Cube. What?
Do we have the Rubik's Cube? Yeah, okay. So, all right. Now, listen carefully here. As we wait for the thing, see, social media can take away so much from you, okay? Number one is the time, and the second is also your friends. How many of you have friends at home? How many friends do you have at home? 6. We used to have 20 friends back when we were kids, when we were younger. 20 plus friends at home. Why? Because we do not have social media. Yes? How many of you have friends online? How many friends online do you have? 150? Exactly. So, listen. You have 179 friends online, but you only have 6 friends, real friends at home. Yes? Yes? See, do you know all of those guys online? Do you know all of them? You don't really know, right? You can't really play with them, right? But the real friends that you have are the ones that you have at home, and these are the real friends. Yes? That's why. Now, if you can turn off your social media for about 2 hours, what can you do again? What can you do? You can sleep, you can play. What can you do? And so many other things, okay? Now, so we've come to almost the end of the session. I hope the Rubik's Cube is here sometime. I hope it's there. There's no Rubik's Cube. Okay. Sadly, so we don't have a Rubik's Cube yet. Should we start voting, or do you have any other talent to show? If you have any other talent to show, other than Rubik's Cube. You vote now, Manta. Mo. So for contestant number 1, the singer, the song. Okay? So, kini di vote, kita vote Manta, contestant number 1. So, a big round of applause. We have 40 votes. Now, the second contestant. Okay. Wait. You can also vote twice, it's okay. Okay? Second contestant. Not 2 hands, just one hand. Okay, how many? More than 40? Okay. Now, keep your hands down. Now for the last who he cannot show, unfortunately, but I'm pretty sure that many of you have seen his skill. Now, please vote for the third contestant. What's your name again? Judah. Okay. In 1, 2, and 3, vote for the third contestant. All right. Okay, Tika. So we have the winner, and the winner is. All right. Okay. Let's do this. Now that we have a tie between the two, okay? Let's do this. Let's give them the extempo speech. So Lingthoi is the winner of the competition, okay? Lingthoi. So we have one for Lingthoi, and now these other 2 contestants now will contest for the second challenge, which is extempo speech. Let's just say on drugs, okay? No to drugs. The team will be no to drugs, please, and anyone can come. In just 1 minute more. Just 1 minute. All right. Big round of applause for Judah here. Can you just speak loud and clear to everyone? Ma, ta.
Okay, hello.
Listen.
Hello. I am going to be presenting about saying no to drugs. Okay, everyone, I'm assuming you have an idea of what drugs are. I'm assuming you know about drugs like cocaine and needles, injections. First of all, drugs are definitely bad for you. They change the hormones in your body and how they function. Your body is not made to be on drugs. Drugs ruin the natural cycle of your body, and also drugs, they take over your brain. They change the way you think. Some drugs make you calm, some make you aggressive. And I would like to say, drugs destroy families and households. Once you have a family member that is on drugs, that family will not last. Especially if it's someone like the mother or father, then that family is not going to be able to last. Even if it's the child of the couple, the family is going to be very heartbroken about that. So I'd like to say, drugs affect family members and also other people. Apart from family, other people also can see, oh, let's say you apply for a job and you're addicted to drugs, people can tell that you're addicted and they won't hire you.
A big round of applause for Judah here. Yes.
Can you hear my voice? My voice.
Honey, come.
Hello everyone, I'm Elvin Chabong and I'll be talking about the topic
No to drugs.
No to drugs. So as you all know that drugs are caused by people who are not emotionally well. They turn to drugs because they think that they don't have anyone to turn to, so that they can escape the reality. But in reality, they're just going to drugs and it's not good. And it is addictive and it causes the people to lose their mind and it causes mental dysfunction in the mental health and it causes people to not think about their family. And sometimes, as we all have seen the news, there has been murder and kidnaps and thieves everywhere we go. In each and every house there has been a crime, and it is all because of drugs. And it is also caused due to people of. We should also treat people with kindness, as we do not know what they are going through. As sometimes if they may feel like they are alone and they may go to drugs. So that's all. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very so much. Okay. All right. Now let's vote. Who will vote for Judah here? Can we see some votes for Judah? The first speaker. Votes. You can vote twice. It's okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. Now, who will vote for, what was your name? Melby? Melbreen. Now, who's going to vote for Melbreen? All right. So we have two winners today, Ling Toy and Melbreen. A big round of applause for the two. Please come. These are not cakes, okay? They're not cakes. These are caps, the same one, a similar one like I'm wearing. So the first prize goes to Ling Toy. Big round of applause. Okay, and also to Melbreen. Okay. I just have to take my jump so she's here. Good job. Did you like it? Yes? See, that is what standing out from the crowd means, okay? You do the best. You be the best, you work on your talent, you work on your gift, and then you work hard on your studies also. Okay? Now, we've come to the end of the session. Did you like it?
Yes!
You want me to end or to continue?
Continue!
Yeah. Okay, so we have other sessions also that the school has prepared for you. We'll be meeting maybe again next time if I come here. Now we've come to the end of the video. And we have to come to the end of the session. And now, what do you say at the end of the video? In 1, 2, and 3. Nice. Okay, a big round of applause for everyone. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, yes.
Can I get an autograph?
Sure. I know.
My friend wants
Hello.